So let us discuss internal resistance of a battery. So in battery, a battery nothing but already we discussed previous classes. A battery nothing but transform chemical energy to electrical energy. Transform chemical energy to electrical energy. Here I am going to take one battery. So here see it means battery nothing but transforms chemical energy to electrical energy. So electrical energy. Here I am going to take one battery. So like this, see the diagram everybody. So look at carefully. So this is the battery. So here the one is the cathode and another one is the anode. So one is the anode and another one is the cathode terminals. So this one is named, let us consider A plus, this one nothing but B minus. These two are connecting plug keys like this. So inside the chemicals, here the chemicals. So whenever the connecting like this means here the flow of electrons moving B minus to the A, Here this flow of electrons, resistance offered by the chemical composition of the battery. Here the resistance offered, here some resistance is there. It means resistance nothing but opposite. So resistance offered by the chemical composition of the battery. So here this resistance I would like to consider like this. This is a zigzag. This one nothing but internal resistance of a battery. It means this one is nothing but resistance offered by the chemical composition of the battery. Resistance offered by the chemical composition of the battery. Here most important point, in electrical circuit, this internal resistance of battery is taken in series with battery. So this one is nothing but this internal resistance. So we connected a series combination of battery. It means so here this whole term I would like to consider A and B nothing but this is the battery. So along with internal resistance R minus plus, this total combination nothing but real battery. So if ideal battery nothing but there is no internal resistance. So ideal battery nothing but no internal. Ideal battery nothing but conductors, superconductor. This battery is not a superconductor. That's why here some resistance offered there. So here that's why here some resistance is. This total is nothing but real batteries. Real batteries. This battery EMF E and the internal resistance connecting series connections. So if you want the ideal batteries, there is no internal resistance. So internal resistance of an ideal battery 0. Internal resistance, a very important point. Internal resistance of an ideal battery 0. So only battery, only EMF only exists. So here the most important point, in electrical circuit, this internal resistance of battery is taken in series combination. combination. So with the battery EMF, this is the battery EMF. And one more important point, internal resistance of an ideal battery zero. Very very important point. Internal resistance of an ideal battery, most important term. So internal resistance of an ideal battery is equal to 0. This is the most important term is 0. Please remember. Let us discuss potential difference across battery terminal in circuit. In CKT, nothing but circuit. So here the very important this one while doing so numerical. So this concept very important. Please listen carefully, everybody. So here the three cases possible. Very first case, when no current flow through the battery. So very first case number 1. When no current pass through or flow through, so flows through battery, or you may write through the battery. And here the connection, one is the battery, another one is the here the internal resistance like this. So this is the B terminal, this is the A terminal, this EMF outlet consider E. So EMF outlet consider E here. So here the internal resistance outlet consider R, small r. This is the negative terminal, this is the positive terminal. Here the at A point potential outlet considered VA, at B point potential outlet considered VB. So here the no current passing through this battery combination, no current. It means here the in this one, this is the battery. Here the no current passing through battery, no current passing through the battery. Here the changing potential VA minus VB, because this is the VA terminal positive, that's why VA bigger than the VB, should be is equal to EMF. Should be is equal to EMF. This is the first case. Whenever this type of circuit, you may write like this. So whenever they are asking this case, you may write like changing potential, changing across this battery is nothing but EMF. It should be equal to EMF. Number case 2. When current is supplied by battery, when current, so here the when a current is supplied by the battery, so current, here this current denoted by letter, here I would like to consider here current nothing but I. Current I is supplied by the battery. So in the diagram, this is the battery, EMF E, here minus, here plus. So this is the internal resistance. This combination nothing but battery. So here the A, this point is the B. Here the potential VB. Here the potential VA. This is the current flow. Here the current flowing direction. I would like to take here this is the direction of the current. So this is the direction of the current. It means current to moving B to A. Current moving B to A here. So here you may write so whenever they asking this type of question, you may write like this. Please remember, here the potential, current moving B to A. That's why I am writing first VB. Here the one more important point, in resistor, current direction and your path direction both are equal. you may write resistance across the potential. This resistance across the potential minus IR. For example, this is a resistance, this is a current flow. Your path also like this A, this B. Your path also like this. So in the here the potential across the this resistor, you may write VA minus R. Sorry, minus here the minus I. This is the current, here the resistor R value minus IR. So if opposite direction, this is the current direction, this is your path direction, both are in opposite direction, that case plus IR, potential across this resistor plus IR. Please remember this one. So that's why compare this one. So here you may write first point terminal VB. So VB, here the your path direction also B to A, and your current also moving B to A, both are same direction. Here the minus, here the current into our resistor smaller. And EMF. So EMF, here the current moving lower to higher. Current moving here lower to higher. So here the negative to positive. That case this EMF you may write to positive. If current moving higher to lower, that case you may write here minus EMF. We'll discuss next case also. Okay now. So and next potential should be equal to VA. So here we want to VA minus VB is equal to EMF minus IR. It means this changing potential across this battery, here the smaller than the EMF, so it means this one nothing but VA minus VB value is this value smaller the EMF, these 2 points very important while doing numericals. So here this here the current moving B to A, same battery but current direction moving A to B. What happened we'll discuss. So number case 3. So number case 3. Case 3. When a current I is supplied by the battery, same condition. When a current I is supplied by the battery. So here the positive terminal, this is the negative terminal through resistor. So this combination nothing but so here minus, here plus, this term A, this term B. So here the minus plus. Now here the I'm going to take current direction. So A to B. This is the current direction I A to B. Here your path direction B to A. So your path direction B to A. So here the first point VA. This is the first point VA. So your current direction A to B na. That's why first point VA. Here the current higher potential to lower potential. Higher potential to lower potential. Here EMF E. So whenever the current moving higher potential to lower potential, you may write minus EMF. Lower to higher plus EMF. In this case, lower to higher. So that's why I wrote plus. Here higher to lower. That's why I wrote here minus. So here and this is our path and this is the current path direction. This is our path direction. Both are in opposite case. So or you may write the same case. Your A to B. You may write here also. Your path direction also you may write A to B. So if you write A to B, so same direction, current also same direction, both are same. You may write minus I into R should be is equal to VB. So VA minus VB is equal to EMF plus IR. It means here the changing that potential difference is the more than the EMF, in this direction. Potential changing across the battery, potential difference across the battery terminal circuit is more than the EMF. In this case, potential difference across the battery terminal in this circuit is smaller the EMF. Please, if you know the how to write these equations in this chapter, very easy. Numerical problem solving also very easy. Please, this heading very important, put triple star while doing entrance part only. So here where this part very important. If you know that these three cases, so easily to analyze numerical problems. So let us discuss grouping of resistance. Grouping of resistance nothing but so here in general resistance grouping or combination can be divided into two major categories. So here the very first category, series combination, and the second one is the parallel combination. So here the most important topic, let us discuss grouping of resistance. Grouping of resistance nothing but in general. So here in general resistance grouping or combination can be, in general grouping or combination can be divided into two major categories. Divided in two major category. So two major categories. So very first one, series combination, second one parallel combination. So we will discuss series combination, parallel combination later. Next one, equivalent resistance. So equivalent resistance nothing but for a given group of resistance. If all resistance are replaced by a single resistance, all resistance are replaced by a single resistance in which all the electrical property regarding the group are remaining same, then this single resistance can be written as equivalent resistance of that group of resistance, for a given group of resistance, if all resistance is replaced by a single resistor, or single resistance in which all the electrical property regarding the group remaining same, the group remaining same, then this single resistance, we can write or can be write, so can be written, as equivalent resistance of that group of resistance, so here they so let us consider, one group of resistor, this group of resistor, so here let us consider this is a group of resistance C. So these are connecting through battery like this. So when you are connecting battery, here the current moving in this direction throughout this one is this current already considered I. Here the group of resistance. This total group of resistance, simply we can write one single resistance. This is the R equivalent resistor through battery, positive, this is the negative, like this. So here the current I only, here also current I only, here the EMF E, here also EMF E. So here the EMF E is equal to I into R equivalent. So R equivalent is equal to EMF upon I. From this one, current I is equal to EMF divided by R equivalent also. Sometimes they will ask this based on this one numerical problem. Sometimes they will ask based on this one numerical problem. It means for any resistance combination, equivalent resistance can be given as for any resistance. So here for any resistance or any combination, equivalent resistance nothing but simply I can say here potential difference across the battery divided by, so current flowing in that circuit or in that combination for any resistance combination, for any resistance combination equivalent resistance can be written as so R equivalent is equal to potential difference across the combination, divided by current flowing through the combination, please remember this one, very important. So equivalent resistance nothing but potential different across the combination divided by current flowing through the combination. So let us discuss grouping of capacitors divided by two. One is the series combination, another one a parallel combination. One is a series combination of resistance. Let us discuss this is the series combination of resistor. Series combination of resistor nothing but let's take two or three resistors. You may connect to one resistor after another one. So now that combination is nothing but series combination. It means one wire end another wire begin, they started nothing but that type of circuit nothing but a series combination. It means this is a one resistor. This resistor one end is a point A, I would like to consider another end connecting another resistor like this, connected this type of, if you connecting like this means this type of combination nothing but series combination. Here connecting, I would like to consider another resistor. Let us this name R1, this name R2, this name R3. So this point is the B. So A and B potentials. So here the potential A, here the potential B. This one connecting through battery switch like this. This is the positive, negative. This is the positive. Here this is the switch. Here the EMF. Here the EMF. Even at the connecting here means here the potential VA. Here the potential VB. Or total potential. Here the potential VB. This VB here connecting negative. That's why I will consider the 0 here. In this way E here also E. So here the potential across the R1, potential across the this one here to here, this is the one potential. Here the potential across, I will consider V1, and here the potential, so across the R2 resistor, here the potential V2, I will consider. Here the potential across the R3, so here the V3 potential. So here the V1 nothing but current passing through here in series combination, current same. In series combination, current same. Parallel combination, potential same. So here the throughout this one current, I would like to consider this current I. This current I throughout this circuit, current I. So here V is according to Ohm's V is equal to IR. So V1 is equal here. V1 is equal to I into R1. Similarly, V2 is equal to I into R2. Similarly, V3 is equal to I into R3. So V3 is equal to I into R3. So here the EMF battery should be is equal to sum of these three potential difference. Sum of these three potential difference. That EMF is equal to sum V1 plus V2 plus V3. So V1 value substitute here, V2 value substitute here, V3 value substitute here. So I into R1 plus I into R2 plus I into R3. I take out common. So R1 plus R2 plus R3. So this is a E. So E by I is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So E by nothing but here the R3. E by I nothing but potential different across the combination. Potential, this E nothing but potential different across the combination divided by current flowing through the combination is called, already we know, R equivalent according to statement. So it means in series combination, so R equal, if connecting three resistor, so R1 plus R2 plus R3, if connecting n resistors, in that case R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2 plus so and so plus Rn. Please, you may remember this one. Let us discuss parallel combination of resistance. Parallel combination of resistance nothing but three or four or two or resistor connecting one another like this in parallel combination. So it means here the one end of the all resistor point and another end of the all resistance point connecting same point, this type of combination is nothing but parallel combination. Let us take three resistors. This is the first resistor R1, this is the second resistor R2, this is the third resistor R3. These three are connecting single point like this. So here these three are connecting single point. It means here the potential at one end of the potential at three resistor value equal to the another equal, and another end of the three resistor potential also equal through switch connecting like this. This is a switch, and negative positive here the EMF. This is the R3. So here when you are connecting here, this current passing through the circuit, here the I, here the potential, this point is the B, this point is the A, and here the potential when connecting here the potential outlet is considered 0 right side, here the EMF E, here also EMF E, here the 0. So here the potential 3 resistor same, here the potential 3 resistor same. So it means potential across the R1 should be equal to potential across the R2 should be equal to potential across the R3 should be equal to same. So it means in that type, this type of combination, nothing about parallel combination. But here current different. Whenever the current enter to this junction, here current divided by 3. So I1, I2, I3. And here current enter to this junction. Here this one also enter, this one also enter. Finally we get I. Finally we get I. It means I is equal to sum of three currents. So I1 plus I2 plus I3. So current in R1 resistor. So you may find current in resistance, current in resistance. So I1 is equal to EMF divided by R1, and I2 is equal to EMF divided by R2. Across this one nothing but also E minus 0. So E is equal to I3 into R3. So I3 is equal to EMF divided by R3. So here the according to equivalent resistance statement, what is mean by equivalent resistance? Potential across the combination divided by, so current flowing this combination. So R equivalent is equal to EMF divided by, so I, that EMF is equal to EMF nothing but E, I is nothing but I1 plus I2 plus I3. So I1 value substitute here, I2 value substitute here, I3 value substitute here. We'll get the R equivalent is equal to EMF divided by EMF by R1 plus EMF by R2 plus EMF by R3. So here the take out common EMF. So EMF whole divided by EMF into 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So here the E get cancelled. So finally R equivalent is equal to, so 1 over 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So it means this value I am going to write. So R equivalent, reciprocal of R equivalent is equal to 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Whenever the connecting three resistor in parallel connection, this is the R 1 by R equivalent resistor value. If connecting n number of identical resistor or n number of different resistor connecting parallel combination, in that combination, so 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 plus so and so plus 1 by Rn. If n number of resistance combination in this parallel combination connecting parallel, if n number of resistance connecting parallel combination of the resistance. So here the 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus so and so plus 1 by Rn is called, so here the total equivalent resistor if connecting any number of, please remember, so this one, if connecting two resistors in parallel connection, two resistors in a parallel connection, 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 is equal to 1 by R equivalent. Take out LCM, you may write R equivalent is equal to R1 into R2 divided by R1 plus R2, you may remember. Let us discuss the division of current in parallel resistance. Division of current in parallel resistance. So here I am going to take two different resistors connecting parallel connection like this. See the diagram. So this is the first resistor, this is the second resistor. So here connecting, so like this, here the one point, here the one point, this combination connecting through switch, this is the switch minus plus, here the EMF, here the EMF. Whenever connecting here, this current moving like this, so this current will coming like this. This was the clockwise manner. So here, so you may consider this point is A and this point is B. So in this one no need to connect. So here the batteries also, if connecting like this, so here the current enter to the this one, here the current enter to the here, and the current divided into two terminals, here the I1, here the I2. So here the resistor R1, here the resistor R2, here the resistance R2. Whenever this combination two resistors in parallel combination, 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. From this one, R equivalent is equal to R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2. You may take out LCM R1 into R2. So you may cross multiplication will get the R equivalent is equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2. Here the according to R equivalent resistor. So here the potential VA, here the potential VB. So here the changing potential VB or VAB should be equal to current I into R equivalent. So according to R equivalent is equal to EMF by I. EMF is nothing but across this battery, across this combination. So here the R equivalent this one, here VAB. If you know that this one very easily to understand. So here this R equivalent value substitute here, VAB is equal to I into R1 into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. So this is the main total potential EMF across this grouping of resistance. So VAB is equal to I into R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2. So individually division of current, individually this current how much, individually this current how much they will ask. So current in R1 is, I would like to consider very first point, current in R1 is, I would like to consider I1. That I1 should be is equal to, here the potential divided by resistor is called, here the current. Current I1 should be is equal to potential AB divided by R1. This AB value substitute here. So that I1 should be is equal to, so I into R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2, this into R1. This R1 get cancelled. So I into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. It means that current I1 is equal to I into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. So this is the first one. So I1 plus I1 is equal to I1. So I1 is equal to I into R2 by R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2. Similarly, second one, current in this in R2 resistance is already considered current in R2 is already considered I2. That I2 is equal to, here the potential across this terminal divided by, so VAB divided by, here the resistor R2. VAB nothing but I into R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2 whole divided by R2. R2 get cancelled. Similarly, I2 is equal to, so I into R1 whole divided by R1 plus R2. So in division rule, so here the I1 is equal to how much here? I1 is equal to I1 is equal to I into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. This I2 is equal to I plus I into R1 by R1 plus R2. It means here the I1 is equal to, so here the current, this I1 is equal to I into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Similarly, this I2 is equal to I into R1 divided by R1 plus R2. These two formulas very important. So while you calculate the numerical problems or while solving the numerical problems, very important. Please remember. Division of current in parallel combination. Here the I1 is equal to I into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Another one I2 is equal to I into R1 by R1 plus R2. This ratio, so I1 by I2 is equal to whole divided by I into R2 divided by R1 plus R2 whole divided by I into R1 by R1 plus R2. This one get cancelled, I get cancelled. That should be is equal to R2 by R1. It means I is directly proportional to 1 by R. If more resistor current moving, so more resistor current less resistor resistance current more. That's why very important point, in parallel combination of resistance, current is divided in a inverse ratio of resistance, so this current always pass are flowing through lower resistance side. So here the in parallel combination of resistance current, so put note, write down, in parallel combination of resistance. So here current is divided in inverse ratio of resistance. In inverse ratio of resistance. It means the current always moving lower resistance side. Please remember this point. So let us discuss current division among equal resistance in parallel connection. If connecting two equal resistance, so here connecting parallel combination, this is a R and this one is also R. So like this, here current enter, here current divided by here this is these two are same resistor, this is the current enter to this junction. So here the I and this point is A, here also I, this point is B, so these two terminals, and here these two are So same current. So here this current divided by equal resistance, nothing but equal current divided by. Here also I by 2, here also I by 2. Similarly, I am going to write here. So here, n number of identical or equal resistance like this. This is the first one, second one. This is the third one. This is the third one. This point is a B. This point is A. Here connecting n number of, this is the nth number of resistor. These all resistor equivalent. Here also R, here also R. Here current entered to here. It means here n number of, nothing but here the current divided by n. So here also current divided by n. Here also current divided by n, because equal resistance. Like that, here also current I by n. It means in case of parallel combination of identical resistance, current is equally divided among all resistance. In case of parallel combination of resistance of which resistance? Identical resistance. Parallel combination of identical resistance. Identical resistance. Current is equally divided among all resistance. Current is equally divided by among all resistance. Divided among all resistance. So let us discuss first problem based on previous case models. So in the figure, this one is the 4 ohm resistor, 3 ohm, 6 ohm resistor, 6 ohm resistor. Find the equivalent resistance across the terminal A and B in the circuit shown in the figure. So here you may identify first, whenever they are asking this type of question, you may identify first of all this point is A, and here the one more potential is this. Let us consider this is a X potential. So here also B and here also B potential, same potential. You may redraw the equivalent another circuit. This is the A point, this is the B point. In between A and B, one resistor is there. So and this is a X point. So in between A and X, one resistor is there. So this is a and X, one resistor is there. This resistor 4 ohm, this resistor 6 ohm, and X to B one resistor, X to B another 2 resistor is there. These 2 resistor parallel connection. So like this is the 2 resistor. One is a 3 ohm resistor, another one is 6 ohm resistor. Now these 3 are in parallel connection. So parallel connection, 3 into 6 divided by 6, 3 plus this parallel connection, 3 into 6 divided by 3 plus 9, 3 plus 6. So 18 by 9 means here the 2. This combination 2 ohm, 2 ohms. So this 2 ohm and 6 ohm, again this 2 ohm and 6 ohm, here the series connection, then this is the parallel connection. Again I am going to draw so equivalent circuit. So this is the A point. So in between A to one resistor, in B2 also another resistor. This is also 6 ohm, this is also 6 ohm. Now these two are parallel combination. In parallel combination, R equivalent is equal to R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2. That should be is equal to 6 into 6 divided by 12. So this is a 2, this is a 3. Final R equivalent is equal to 3 ohm. This is the answer to the question. So one more important model. So see the circuit diagram. So find the equivalent resistance of the showing the figure across terminal A and B. This across terminal A and B. So here the one connection. So here like this. So now you may identify which resistor is series connection, which resistor parallel connection. You may identify like this. Now these two are in series connection. So in series connection, equivalent resistor nothing but R1 plus R2. There 1 plus 2. This 1 plus 2 2 ohm. This 2 ohm resistor and this ohm resistor in a again parallel connection. So this is a equivalent to circuit diagram. So you may draw the this is a 2 ohm resistor. This is a point B. Now this is a 1 ohm resistor. So this is a 2 ohm resistor. And one more this is a 2 ohm resistor, like this is a 1 ohm resistor. Now here the one more connection, so like this, here also 2 ohm resistor, 2 ohm resistor, this point is A. So now these two are in a parallel connection. In parallel connection, 2 into 2 divided by 4, this is a 2, this is a 1. So this 1. So 1 and this one. Now this series, this one is nothing but series combination. So it means equivalent of this circuit. Again you may draw the diagram like this. So now this is a equivalent circuit. Now these two are parallel connection. So this is the 2 ohm resistor. This is A. This is a B. Here one more resistor. 1 ohm resistor. So here the 2 ohm resistor. So like this, here the 1 ohm resistor and here the 1 ohm resistor. Now because this resultant resistor nothing but 1 ohm. Now these two are in series, 1 plus 1 2. So that's why you may draw the again equivalent circuit. This is in between A and B. So this is one more resistor. This is another resistor. This is the 2 ohm resistor, 1 ohm resistor. Now this one also another resistor connecting like this. So here this one also 2 ohm. Now 1 plus 1 2. 2 then this resistor parallel combination means these two are parallel combination. So this again you may draw the equivalent resistor. This is in between A and B, 2 ohm resistor. This is the 2 ohm resistor. So here the 2 ohm. Now here the 1 ohm resistor. So now here the 1 ohm resistor. 2 into 2 divided by 4. 2 into 2 now 4. 2 plus 2 also 4. 4 by 4 1. 1 resistor. Now this point is B. Now this point is A. These two are in a series connection. This is nothing but equivalent resistor. This is a 2 ohm resistor and this one also 2 ohm resistor. This is A, this is a B. So now these two are parallel combination. It means equivalent resistor in between. So A and B. Here the in parallel connection 2 into 2 divided by 4. So this is equal to 1. It means 1 ohm resistor. It means totally R equivalent is in between A and B is equal to 1 ohm resistor. This is the answer to the question. Whenever they asking this type of question, you may do like that. So another important model. So this model very important. Listen carefully everybody. See this circuit. This circuit infinity ladder circuit. Find the equivalent resistance of the infinity ladder circuit showing the figure across terminal A and B. How much they asking? Here see 3 2 3 2 3 2. Here continue 3 2 3 2 3 2 here continue. So resistor connection like this. That's why here the potential outlet consider C, here the potential outlet consider D. So this total combination of this total combination resistance R equivalent to outlet consider R naught, and in between A and B also R equivalent also outlet consider R naught. So in this one I am going to redraw this one. So here the A, this is a 2 ohm resistor, 3 ohm resistor. Now this point is a B, this point is A. In between here also R naught. So and this is a C and this D. Here the connection one equivalent resistor outlet consider R naught. Remaining this total connection infinity connections I am going to write here R naught. This R naught and this 2 ohm resistor, these two are parallel combination. In these two parallel combination, nothing but here the R naught into 3 divided by 3 plus R naught. Sorry, 2. 2 plus 2 into 2. This is 2 only. 2 plus R naught. Then this equivalent circuit, nothing but then this one is a series connection. So it means, so this is the A terminal and this is the B terminal. Here the 3 ohm resistor. Now here the 2 into R naught by 2 plus R naught, and this is a B terminal. In between A and B also, here also R equivalent value also R naught. Now this combination, these two are series. These two are series should be equal to R naught. So there we use R equivalent is equal to RAB is equal to R naught is equal to 3 plus 2 R naught by 2 plus R naught. So here the take out LCM. So R naught is equal to 3 into 2 plus R naught plus 2 R naught divided by 2 plus R naught. So here again cross multiplication. R naught into 2 plus R naught is equal to 6 plus 3 R naught plus 2 R naught. So here the 2 R naught plus 2 here R naught into R naught square is equal to 5 R naught plus 6. So R naught square, this one bring to left side. So here the R naught square minus 5 R naught plus 2 R naught minus 6 is equal to 0. It means here R naught square minus 3 R naught minus 6 is equal to 0. This one look like a quadratic equation. So quadratic equations roots plus roots is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So in that one, so here I am going to take root equation. So ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here the root x is roots x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a divided by 2a. So similarly here x nothing but r naught. So similarly, so here the r naught square minus 3 r naught minus 6 is equal to 0. This b nothing but minus 3. So and a nothing but here 1 and c nothing but minus 6. So here a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to minus 6. Substitute here. So x is r naught is equal to so here the minus b. So minus into minus plus. So 3 plus or minus under root of 9 minus of 4 into 1 into minus 6 minus into minus here the plus. So 24 plus 9 to 33. So 2 into 1. So that r naught is equal to 3 plus or minus root 9 plus 24 divided by 2. So this one should be equal to here the, so r naught is equal to 3 plus root of 33 divided by 2. So ohms, this is the answer to the question. So one more root also there, 3 minus root 9 plus 2 by 2. So always this value whenever connected, this one is nothing but more than the any one of the one equivalent resistor. So that's why here this one only answer to the question.